As I'm having my breakfast, I caught myself doing something that I constantly preach that we shouldn't do. I was running through the list of things that I have to do today, and I caught myself saying, maybe I don't have time to work out. And that's okay. If you don't have time, you don't have time, life happens. But am I deprioritizing it? That's the question. So I'm going to try to position it in a different way. Instead of saying that I don't have time to work out today, I'm going to say exercising is not a priority for me today. That kind of hits different. Is it not a priority for me today? As I look down at my list of priorities for the day, exercise and self-care definitely takes precedence over certain things that I have on my list. I'm gonna squeeze in a little 10-minute mobility routine. I actually have a race on Saturday, so it's so important. I know I'm gonna feel great, energized, and it's gonna help me with the other priorities and tasks that I have to do for the rest of the day. There are gonna be days where I'm gonna have to prioritize other tasks, and I might not actually be able to exercise on that day, and that's okay. But today I can, even if it's just for 5-10 minutes. That's how that process goes. Maybe you can implement that in your life as well. Have a great day.